100% silicone sealant.
So there are a lot of tile installers that will not use silicone in corners and where tile meets a hard surface or dissimilar surface. And I used to be one of those guys because I didn't know how to use it and I didn't know how to apply it. It's not that hard. Silicone is the correct choice. It's an ASTM C920 sealant designed to be flexible so that tile grout lines won't crack where the tile meets in a corner or, as I said, at a dissimilar or hard immovable surface. You need to use the correct sealant so that you don't get cracked grout lines. With silicone, you also get needed flexibility at the perimeter where you need that perimeter movement joint around the entire floor or at any corners where tile meet or at any hard surface where the tile meets the similar material, like at a hardwood floor. Like in this job, I'll be caulking the space between the tile and the hardwood floor so that the tile will be able to move. Acrylic latex caulk does not flex. It becomes hard and it has very little flexibility. Silicone has the required flexibility to compress and stretch so that you have the movement where it's needed. Don't be afraid of silicone. What you need to do is lubricate the surfaces where you don't want the silicone to stick, and you can do with that with a product that is sold commercially, or you can just do it with a few drops of dishwashing detergent in a spray bottle with just simple water. It works great. And you first must be sure that the joint that you're applying the silicone to is completely dry. Then you apply the silicone and then you spray it. Get it nice and wet. Then you use a silicone finishing tool to scrape up the excess. And because it's the two surfaces where you don't want it to stick have been lubricated, the silicone will come off cleanly and it will not stick.
It's not that hard.